Romantic Valentine's date on a budget? Try this DIY Samgyupsal at home. Valentine's Day is coming. But let's be real. Fancy restaurants can be expensive and crowded. What if I told you that you can have a romantic, fun, and delicious date at home for just 250 to 400 Cuban pesos? Today, I'll show you how to prepare DIY Samgyupsal, a perfect budget-friendly Valentine's dinner idea that will make your date extra special. Let's go. 1. Why DIY Samgyupsal is the best Valentine's date idea. Affordable yet special. Instead of spending 1,000 Cuban pesos plus at a restaurant, you can enjoy restaurant-quality Korean barbecue at home for a fraction of the price. Fun and interactive, cooking together makes the date more exciting and memorable. It's not just about eating, it's about enjoying the experience. Romantic and private. No noisy restaurants, no pressure. Just you, your partner, and a cozy, intimate setup. 2. Ingredients you'll need. Budget: 250 to 400 Cuban pesos, 130 to 230. Main ingredients: pork liempo 120 to 150 Cuban pesos, or chicken 100 Cuban pesos. Rice 50 Cuban pesos. Lettuce 50 Cuban pesos. Marinade: calamansi, soy sauce, toyo, garlic, cheap and flavorful. Side dishes: optional but affordable. Kimchi 80 Cuban pesos for a small pack. Pickled radish or atara 50 Cuban pesos. Dips and sauces: sesame oil plus salt and pepper 30 Cuban pesos. Gochujang, optional for spicy lovers. Drinks: Korean soju 120 to 150 Cuban pesos, or pineapple juice 50 Cuban pesos. 3. Step-by-step. How to prepare your DIY Samgyupsal date night, 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Keycap 1. Marinate the meat. Mix calamansi, toyo, and garlic, then let the meat absorb the flavors for at least 30 minutes. Keycap 2. Prepare side dishes. If you have kimchi or atara, place them in small plates for a restaurant-style setup. Keycap 3. Set up your table. Use a portable grill or a non-stick pan if you don't have one. Arrange the lettuce, sauces, and drinks. Keycap 4. Start cooking together. Grill the meat, wrap it in lettuce, dip it in sauce, and enjoy. 4. Tips to make it more romantic, 4 to 4:30. Set the mood. Use candles or fairy lights for a cozy ambience. Play Korean or love songs. Make it feel like a real Korean barbecue date. Make a special toast. Say something sweet to your partner while enjoying the meal. And there you have it, a fun, romantic, and budget-friendly Valentine's date. No need for expensive restaurants when you can create beautiful memories at home. Who would you try this with? Tag your special someone in the comments.